So hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. So it is a new video and during our new video today we will talk about the next 3 steps that you need to have in order to close the investment deals that you currently have them and you're looking to close them. So during our today's video, we will give you all the steps that you need to have in order to close the investment deals, in order to close all the investors that they have already showed interest and they want to take it further or they don't want to take it further yet, and you can do some steps, a few steps that will be crucial to make sure that you will close the investment deal easily, fast and simple. So in today's video you will gain all the steps that you can start to use and all the methods that you can start to use in order to close the investment deals to make sure that you will raise capital fast, quickly and effectively. So pay attention if you're looking to raise capital. If you are not looking to invest the next 5 to 10 minutes into the knowledge of the experience, the methods that we are using for our clients that you can benefit from, so that's your life, that's your decisions, and that's your path, and that's your success. So let's get into it directly. Close investment deals in 3 steps. Whenever we are working on an investment deal with an investor, so that's exactly what we are doing. The first step, we educate and provide value. We start by educating the investor and offering value that aligns with the investor interest. Example, if we know their interests are into crypto investing and AI projects, so we send them unique and relevant materials about the current state of these industries. We just try and we just making sure that we will be as valuable as we can be, and to show to the investors that we are here to serve them. We are not here to make them to invest into projects that has no future. So we're making sure to show the investors that we are here to make sure that you will get X and Y and you will get the best investment from our sources. And that's why we have already built pretty good relationships with the investors, because we are providing the best opportunities all the time and the best projects that make sense to us before it makes sense to any other investor. So that's what we are doing. At the same time, we include actionable insights such as how to identify the best project to invest into. At the same time, we also tell them that, all right, that's exactly what you have to take a look on in order to identify the best project to invest into. And that's why the project that we're currently working on will make sense for you, because it has already achieved the X factor, the P factors, and the C factors. And that's why we see that, all right, this investment will be a good one for the long term. At the same time, what we are focusing on is we're focusing on building trust by being helpful, transparent, and service-oriented, not pushy. So we're making sure to build relationships. The deals will be closed once you have started to build the relationship. So that's what we are making sure to do: build the relationship, build the trust, build the credibility by being valuable and by providing value upfront. So deals close when relationships begin, build genuine connections. That's our main benchmark. So step number 2, we build the credibility. How we do that? Here is how. We follow up with the investors constantly, engaging content to show success stories and create a vision of potential outcomes. So what we do right here, how we do that? We do that by sending 5 long videos per week, showcasing previous investors who achieved significant profits with similar projects. So we're making sure to send them like, all right, this project has similar culture as this project, has similar concept as this project, and we can see opportunity right here to invest into this project. So we do that by sending long videos. During these long videos, we will talk about this project, and we will have like the same type of recording as I have it right here. Google documents or the website of the project, and showing statistics, showing real-time metrics. At the same time, the project that we are presenting, and we're talking about it and why we're thinking X and Y. We're making sure to handle all the unspoken objection for the first hand, and we're making sure that everything that they would thought about it or that they would think about it, So we will address them directly from the first hand before they start to consider about these objections later on by their own selves. So by doing that, we're making sure that we have the best connection with the investor and we understand their own viewpoints and we understand how they're thinking from their own sides. So that's what we are doing. We dive into the details of the current project, including statistics. We provide data backed insights. Concepts explain the unique value preparation. Team, we highlight the expertise and track record of the team at the same time with the team that has already launched similar projects. At the same time, we take a look on the market growth and we showcase industry trends and the market opportunity. As all of these metrics, by the way, you would introduce them to the investor during the first call with them by your intro deck, correct? But at this time, we're making sure to go deeply with the new sectors or new factors that we haven't included from the first hand or from the first touch that we had with the investor. So that's what we are making sure. We're making sure to have new data all the time. We are not using the same data as we have already used before. So it will not sound like, all right, I have already heard that before. You got it? So that's what we're making sure to do. At the same time, if you're looking to have any insight on how you can build your own or you create your own intro deck to the investors, you can take a look on the description below. You will have all the links to other videos on how you can do that. And you will also find other videos that will be available for you with your capital raising journey. So we take a look on the market growth, showcase industry trends and the market opportunity, incoming plans, outline clear plans for growth, ROI. So we're taking a look on what the team that are looking to do with the next 3 years. We're making sure to just catch up few main points that we can focus on, that we understand and we are aware that investors will start to pay attention for. Investors will start actually to be more interested when they will start to hear these few points. So we're making sure to catch up all of these points and present them to the investors during the 5-video Loom or 5 minutes Loom video. That's what we're doing. Use this step to keep the investor engaged and confident in the opportunity. So that's what you can do. Step 3. So after we have done all the steps, the first and second step, so now we're going to the third step. All right. So now pay attention for that because that's where the close is going on. So after constantly providing value and addressing all the concerns over 2 to 3 weeks. So after 2 to 3 weeks from the first touch, from the first call with the investor, we keep providing all the valuable insights that we have already mentioned above. Then when we see that that's the best time to ask for the second call, so we do that. What we're making sure that the time frame will be 2 to 3 weeks. So over 2 to 3 weeks, we ask for a second call to move forward, to move further. During the second call, so how second call going on? So it goes like that. We present the next steps for the signing process. We clarify the legal documentation and timeline for closing the deal. Include the project team during the call for sure. We absolutely will have all the project's team during our second call. So that's pretty simple and basic to understand. Then during the second call, we wait for the investor to confirm readiness by saying send over the paperwork. So we're making sure to clarify all the documents, all the points, and we're making sure to ask questions all the time, to have engaging call, to understand their thoughts and to understand their own viewpoints, to understand if they have any other objections they would like to see. And when we see that we have already addressed all the answers, so we keep waiting until they will start to tell us, all right, we are here to take the next step and send over the paperwork, etc. At this point, you have built trust, established value, and ensured alignment, making the closing process seamless. So that's what we are focusing on all the time. We're making sure that we will get all of these points every time when we are closing a new investment deal. So we build trust, we establish value, we ensure alignment, so the closing process will be smoothly or to go seamless. Tools to use: Loom for personalized video, CRM tools, HubSpot to track communication and ensure timely follow-ups. For to sign the legal documents or to simplify the signing process and improve efficiency, so you can use DocuSign. So that was everything for today. I hope it was helpful. I hope you have gained something new. I hope it was something that you have already searched about and you have gained something that you would like to gain or something that you wanted to understand more deeply. If you would like to gain more insights on the fundraising firm, on the fundraising journey, so you can take a look on the other videos below. In the description, you can find all the links below. At the same time, if you're looking to have the Google documents that I have it in the presentation here, so you can find it in the description below. That was everything for today. I hope it was something valuable for you. Have a nice day.